okay, the two-cat walk. Go online and there's the walks. It takes you past all these famous houses and you can read about them on the walk. It's quite cool. Check them out.
Make it left.
See, a Turkish sea. You want this?
This is the sacred tree. Well, they always. Just you guys stand there.
The spirit house thing. Outlive all of us. It has been here for 200 years in the middle of Bangkok, in the middle of the craziness of being in Bangkok, and it's still alive, and I'm telling you, it's been another 200 years. But that is so not, that's when you have real. You know that Turkish time then,
That's called express boat.
Yeah, so but we are playing golf in Hua Hin. Tomorrow we are going. Yes. Yeah. And in Germany, it's a travel agency in Leipzig, in eastern Germany.
we have a lovely
Yes. One friend from Skoda about Hua Hin for golf. They were 3 times there, and I heard it on yesterday we were at wie heißt es, wo wir gestern waren? Bei Town Green.
No, she didn't make it really spicy, which is good because I think I would have.
I don't want to forget about you, whatever you are. It's really good. I'm just documenting it, so.
2 girls, 2 girls, 10, 2. Tarkan of Turkey, or the Paul McCartney of the world.
Okay.
And when I was teaching his girls, we were in the classroom and we heard this, and all the kids shouted out, "Ah, Caraval!" and they ran to the window because it was a Harley. He came up on a Harley with his friend to pick up the girls. I had no idea who he was.
Salary, the Turkish lira.
Okay, let's say goodbye here because